How to change your phone number on Binance, step-by-step guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to change your phone number on Binance. Whether you've got a new number or just want to update your security settings, this guide will help you do it effortlessly. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open Binance and log in. First, launch the Binance mobile app and log into your account. If you're already signed in, you're good to go. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the Binance icon in the top left corner. At the top of the screen, you'll see your name and UID. Tap on it. This will take you to the Account Center page. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. Scroll down and select Security. Here, you'll find multiple options like passkeys, authenticator app, email, and password. To access the phone number section, tap on the small drop-down arrow. Step 4. Select and edit your phone number. Locate the phone number option. You'll see the numbers currently linked to your account. Tap the pencil, edit, icon next to the number you want to update. Step 5. Verify and update your new number. Binance will send a verification code to your registered email. Enter the code to confirm the request. Now, type in your new phone number and verify it using the OTP, one-time password, sent to your new number. Step 6. Confirmation. Once verified, your new number will be successfully linked to your Binance account. That's it. You've now updated your phone number. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more Binance and crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.